So finally, project 1 is done.
Seriously, dude.
Yeah.
What is this project about anyway?
I don't know.
What's the modeling thing?
Professor is saying something to observe in real life and then model it.
Oh, yeah. Seems interesting but confusing.
Yeah, not
Like,
clear
what do
about,
we model?
not clear about
Basically,
it.
when I asked him, he said that it should be observable. Us, like, we should be able to see it in our everyday lives. So from what I get, like, we have to observe an activity that we do on a daily basis, or observe people doing that activity.
You also have to simulate it.
Yeah, we have to simulate it.
Does he know what he wants?
Guys, let's go somewhere. He want us to look around, so let's
He
look
was
around.
saying us
Yeah.
to go into downtown. Let's go.
Yeah, it's a,
Yeah,
it's
okay.
a, it's a
Let's
free
hang
lecture.
out.
as
Let's
it is.
party.
Okay.
So, any ideas?
I don't know. Think about them.
We have to observe something.
Observe something.
I was thinking, like, we could model the working of our brain using neural network.
But then how do you observe that? Yeah. So that's wrong. But neural networks, yeah. Great idea, by the way.
I was thinking, let's simulate a bus stop.
Okay, because he said that we have to do synchronize, we have to do scheduling and we have to do queuing. Yeah, so we can have people entering into the bus, people coming out of the bus. Right. Yeah, so that sounds like a good idea. Yeah, but that would be
We
like...
have to observe a lot of people then. I mean, do we have to limit the scope somewhere?
We don't know.
I think we should, otherwise it will be difficult to program.
Yeah.
What do you think, Ashish?
Guys, how about a virus outbreak?
Yeah, something like that watched in that 24 TV series. Oh, that's nice. Sinister, but nice. So the scope would be San Jose State University? Something like that. I mean, virus entering someone with virus entering and infecting all people. How would you tell the virus? Okay, that sounds
Well, how would you observe that?
Yeah, exactly.
Right, exactly.
So to observe, like we have.
I think. How about a lift? I mean
mean
an
an elevator?
Yeah.
Wow, not
We
bad.
can observe the library elevators.
Yeah.
Yeah, people come.
Yeah, so you have people coming in from different levels. They're waiting for a lift to come and serve them. Yeah, and so that lift is a system with which the users are. Sounds perfect. I think implementation will be easy. Yeah, I observe it. Yeah, it's simple yet it includes a lot of complexities. I think everyone wants to implement, wants to know the logic behind how it works. Right.
I think we'll approach him
Should
with
we
that
finalize
idea. Yeah.
elevator then?
Yeah, let's
Yeah.
approach him with that idea.
That sounds good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, great, man. Doing it in just one day. Awesome.
Hey guys, so how are all the submissions and everything going?
Yeah, going good.
Pretty hectic, right? But
Yeah, hectic.
I wonder what happened to our idea. Yeah, you know, the elevator idea that we pitched about.
Yeah.
Hey Krishna, what's up?
Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
What's up, man?
Bad news, guys.
Why?
Oh, what's up?
I discussed with Professor Gash, and he said that inside a lift you're interacting with a system.
Right.
So he does not want that. He wants us to capture a scenario where humans are interacting with each other.
Oh,
Oh.
too bad.
Does that?
But we
bad.
could easily simulate it, man.
Yeah, man, the elevator idea was perfect.
Yeah.
I know.
Too excited about it.
I know. He's never satisfied with our ideas.
Damn it! Damn it!
We'll have to figure out something else then.
Like, I want to drink something. Do you guys want to drink something?
Let's go have
Yeah,
some
I know a
coffee.
good place.
Where?
Phil's Coffee. Have you been there?
Why not? Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
go
we'll
there.
Okay, cool.
So, hey Shreya, where were you all this
Hi.
time? We were like discussing ideas and stuff, and we came up with a few ideas, but Professor Gash shot down all of them.
Oh, okay, that's sad. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you know what? I was just sitting here and then I thought of this idea. Why don't we just model Phil's coffee?
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I mean that's what he wants, right? I mean he wants like an interaction, a conversation, and then
Yes.
there are various. There's a barista here who's serving out the coffee and who's taking an order,
Right,
and there are a lot
right.
of customers.
We also have the
Right.
queue.
Yeah. We also have the queue, and then there's also the time on which
So it's
the
the
coffee
bill.
is made.
Yeah.
What's that?
I was just thinking out, and then I was just drawing the sequence diagram, like how
Seriously?
it would be.
Nice.
So explain
yeah.
us. What is it about?
So there is this customer, and then there's this coffee shop, basically.
Going to exactly simulate what happened to us just right now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
we-
What just happened to me when I ordered, and then when I paid out and I got out.
Okay.
What just
So
happened.
you entered the queue,
Right.
you placed an order,
Right.
you were served the order,
Right.
you went to the cashier,
Right.
you did the payment.
and then
And
then-
that. Huh.
Yeah,
Then I
that is
was
observable.
selling coffee. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's also we can
What have you
simulate
ordered
it.
by?
We can simulate.
I've just ordered a Tesora. That's one of the weird
Is that
coffee
good?
names that they have. Yeah, it's supposed to be good. Why don't you try it?
Sure.
I'll get one of my own. Thank
Okay.
you. Okay.
Cool.
So guys, any progress?
Yes,
Yeah.
looks like the customer interaction is ready.
Seriously?
Yeah,
Nice.
it's
Even barista interaction is ready.
Yeah, I can create customers.
Randomly you mean?
Yeah, randomly.
And you?
Cashier interaction is done.
Awesome, and my queue was ready as it is. Let's
Wow.
let's test it.
Yeah, sure.
Let's try the simulation.
Okay.
Cool.
So yeah, it will start with
I'll run the script.
I'll first start
Yeah.
the queue, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you'll have
So-
to start the queues first.
So I've started the coffeeshop.go.
okay.
Okay.
So I'll start the barista process.
Okay.
Here you go.
I think Viraj has
I'll-
started the.
Yeah, I'm already starting the cashier process.
Okay, I'll start generating customers then.
Cool.
Okay.
So
Okay. Let's see.
I can.
I think we all can see the logs.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
Oh,
running
wow.
fine. Oh my.
There's
Good.
customer interaction that's happening.
Yeah.
Oh, I got that message.
Okay.
Oh, so I can see that there is one person added to the queue,
Yep.
and
There's one at the cashier too.
Awesome.
I think it's working.
It's working.
Yeah.
I really hope it's a cashier.
Yeah.
Let's get ready for the presentation.
Yes.
Okay.